So, ang pagkakaiba ni Matt, kay Bingo, at saka sa iba pa.
Wow, very different. Bingo.
May sagot ako, pero mamaya na. Sagot ka.
Sige. Wala akong good morning towel ngayon. Hindi, pero si Matt, he grew up in La Union, but he went to school in Manila. So it's the mix of both worlds. Siyempre si Bingo, si Binondo siya talaga ever since. I'm a beach boy, you know. And I think I'm very business-minded in a different way from Bingo. Hindi live selling, mas parang corporate. Yung ganun. Tsaka, medyo mas similar ako kay Matt. Medyo ano siya eh, parang hindi siya gagawa ng bagay kung alam niya may maapektong taong mahal niya. So he's very he's very careful to move around. He wants to make sure that everyone around him is okay, even if sometimes he's not okay. You know? So
At saka si Bingo, dati, pa-sleeveless lang. Si Matt ngayon, pa-topless na.
Eh, pati si Matt, namumula yung ilong kapag nagsisinungaling.
Ay, totoo?
Yeah.
there's that aspect sa show. So that's also good actually. Hindi ko alam na may ganun palang Pinocchio syndrome. May ganun talaga yung totoong buhay. Nagiging allergic yung tao.
Interesting.
Yeah, I talk to doctors about that.
POV mo, anong pinagkaiba ni Matt kay Bingo?